Hello everyone. Today we have a new product, introducing fresh wires. This is a power cable. What do all these wires have in common? This is a cast mono wire flattened by geometry, made of 1000th grade of silver. Of course, naturally, all the wires have a corrective balanced restoration system using galvanic transformers that almost completely and entirely eliminate all types of parasitic interference in our domestic power supply network. The signal is picked up by coils, is pushed through the entire length of the conductor, and is further amplified and restored by coils at the output, ensuring optimal performance. In this case, it is not just the effect of superconductivity, it is the restoration of the signal along the entire length of the conductor. What is characteristic of the balanced conductor? The balanced conductor, which essentially marks the useful component of the electrical signal inside and does not allow the signal to go beyond the conductor, and any external interference is cut off in this case to electromagnetic interference from electrical devices, from anything in principle, even geomagnetic influence. In other words, there is almost completely no loss of signal, which is expressed in the increase of voltage level. Why does this happen? The thing is, essentially this entire conductor is a coil. That is, the core of the coil, which is wound with the golden ratio. If we take an auto transformer, it has a single winding. Accordingly, the galvanic transformers, used in this context, have two windings between them, and there is no electromagnetic field of contact. The electromagnetic field breaks through the signal, saturates the secondary winding, and the initial voltage appears on it. In other words, what comes in is what goes out. The resistance is almost zero.